This video is not a replacement for the installation guide. Read the installation guide before installing. Unbox the fan and remove packing materials. This installation guide is included with every unit and provides detailed descriptions of mechanical and electrical installation requirements. Remove the unit from the box and remove the protective plastic. Loosen the bail screws with a T30 Torx screwdriver. Align the bail vertically and tighten the bail screws to lock the bail in place. Next, we'll show you one method of hanging the fan using Unistrut. For additional methods, consult the installation guide. In this example, we use an eye bolt and carabiner to attach the fan to the Unistrut. This installation method is adequate for any fans that feature a single eye bolt on the bail. The attached steel cable is an important safety feature that is crucial to install correctly. The leash detaches from the unit with a T25 Torx screwdriver. It can then be looped around the top cord of the joist and reattached to the body of the unit. Do not attach the leash to the joist web, sprinkler system, or the Unistrut the fan is hanging from. At this point, the mechanical installation of the fan is complete. Plug the fan into a receptacle of the appropriate voltage or hardwire into a junction box. To control clutter in the ceiling, you can use zip ties to secure the power cable to the bail.
To benefit from reduced energy costs or to take action to adhere to ongoing climate change legislation toward carbon neutrality, then contact the thermal destratification specialists. Airius, saving you energy.